The future of dental restoration is here. Stronger, smarter, more efficient. Welcome to Inox. Introducing a breakthrough in dental materials, Inox discs with advanced Nano-carbon and Nano-Silver technology. The next generation alternative zirconia for implant restorations. No need for furnaces, no long processing time. Inox discs allowed direct modifications and additions, providing unmatched flexibility and efficiency. And for permanent restorations, we bring you the Nanoksa Bio-Guard resin. Engineered for strength, durability and precision in 3D printing, to be the first resin worldwide to include Nano-Silver to work as antibacterial. But we don't just provide resin, we deliver a complete solution. Inox offers an integrated system with high precision 3D printing and nitrogen curing technology, ensuring perfect, long-lasting results. Stronger restorations, faster workflows, ultimate reliability. This is Inox, shaping the future of dentistry.